Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. When the path ahead seems uncertain, remember that it is in the face of adversity that true strength is forged. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. The difference lies in never giving up. You are capable of greatness, let go of self-doubt and embrace the power of perseverance. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Your dreams are worth fighting for. Embrace the challenges because every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Remember that you have the strength to rise above any circumstance. Believe in yourself and let your determination shine. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new goal. The only way to do great work is to do what you love.